Hello everyone, this is the Think Civil channel, and today I'm going to complete the second part of drawing a circle in AutoCAD. And before that, I hope you will like the video and subscribe to my channel, because this will help me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. So let us see how this is work. From the AutoCAD ribbon and from Home tab, click on Circle. As you see, a list of 6 types of drawing circle is appear to you. Each type is related to a specific case that is suitable for a work you need. So let us see the fourth one, which is set 3 point. Click on it. And as you see, here we have 3 points. It doesn't matter what the first point, you must start with it. So I will pick this the first point, and this the second point, and this the third point. And as you see, a circle is drawn according to 3 points. So let us check the fifth option. I click on Circle. The fifth option is set 2 tangents and radius. Click on it. As you see, we have 2 lines, vertical line and horizontal line. I'm going to draw a circle with in tangent with these 2 lines. So click on the first line, then on the horizontal line, and as you see in the text box, it said specify radius of circle. I will choose a magnitude of radius equal to 3. Then I will press enter, and as you see, a circle drawn with a radius and 2 tangents. And let us check its radius. As you see, r is equal to 3. The last type of drawing circle, let us check it. Click on Circle. The sixth option is set 3 tangents. Click on it. It doesn't matter, as we said before, what line you will start with it. So I will start with this vertical line, the first tangent, and with the horizontal line, the second tangent, and with the inclined line, the third tangent. And as you see, a circle drawn related to 3 tangents. This is all I have for this video, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.